as much as we must respect all the cultures, but the respect of the cultures must not in any shape or form remind us of apartheid. In Parliament, the MK Party is going to introduce this week a bill, a private member's bill, to further clarify Section 235. We hold the view as the MK Party in Parliament that Section 235 is vague and it leads to all kinds of interpretations, and some of those interpretations lend themselves to apartheid kind of situations. So I want to make sure that that clause is further clarified, because we hold the view that as much as we must respect all the cultures, but the respect of the cultures must not in any shape or form remind us of apartheid. The respect of all cultures must really be respect of all cultures. It mustn't be a culture that is suppressed by another culture. I mustn't be forced to assimilate and so on. Everybody must be respected for who they are and all of that. So we really think that we'll look into that section. And as I say, the private members' bill is already on the table, and we hope that the community of Kleinfontein will work with us. One important thing as well I must mention here, we discovered today that also because the MK Party has also put another private members' bill on the table on the land issue. And one of the things that we're saying as the MK Party is that the land must belong to all the people of South Africa. The state and the chiefs and the state and the kings must be the custodian, the administrators of this land, so that it's equitably used for the benefit of all South Africans, as it were. We find that at Kleinfontein here, they've got a similar system. The individuals that are here, just like the individuals in the waterfall, don't have title deeds, as it were. So we think that as long as we can deal with the question that they're talking about, they're worried about corruption and all of that, and we've given them a challenge that they must give us the kind of administration proposal that will make sure that there is no corruption in everything, that will make sure that their grandchildren are not undermined or sabotaged or anything. And we also have grandchildren. So it looks like we want the same things to make sure that our generations to come must all feel at home here. No one must feel othered, as it were. So we think the MK Party as the government in waiting, that's what we're doing here. This is part of our consultation. As we take over this government, we must know what all the communities of South Africa want and so on, and we must reach a consensus, because we are a government that is going to include everybody. Everybody must have dignity.
These are the